change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
Welcome to today's vlog. Today, lots to talk about, exciting day. The bike is almost finished. We've got some Garmin pedals to unbox and stick on. And then we've got a little bit of race footage talking about some ZWIFT racing that we did earlier on last week. And yeah, let's crack on. So the Garmin Vector 3 pedals, as you can see, pretty sleek, low profile. The biggest difference between these and the Vector 2s, which we have on last year's bike, is you'll see there's no little module hanging down off them. Everything is self-contained in the spindle. In here you've got the batteries. I'm not sure, does anybody know what type of battery this is? I've not seen this type before. But you know, with the pedals we have two pairs, so we've got spare batteries already, and they just slot in there. So inside there, inside the spindle, is where the all the strain gauges are. That just screws back in, and a little tighten, and we're done. So these are ready to install on the bike. You've got, as I say, a couple of washers. Now the thing with the washers is, once these get installed, this little piece of plastic is interfering with your chain. So you're looking for a minimum of 2mm clearance. Ideally they suggest that you should have a 5mm clearance. So if you don't have that, then we can use the little washer, which is probably about 2mm, just in here, just to move that away slightly. So yeah, let's go and get them stuck on the bike. So that's them installed on the bike. Super easy, unlike the Vector 2s where you had to have a torque wrench and you had to do this and you had to do that. It's simply a case of, if you need the spacer, which I did, stick the spacer in between the spindle and the crank arm, lube it up, tighten it by hand, tighten it with your 15mm pedal spanner, and you're good to go. So let's get the bike weighed, the moment of truth. We have obviously said all along we are going for the lightest possible bike. So let's jump on the scales. So right now, fully clothed, 85.1. And then let's go on with the bike. $92.2. Now, I'm rubbish at maths, so let's do a quick calculation on the phone. 92.2 minus 85.1. We make that to be a 7.1 kilogram bike. I would say we achieved the target. Okay, here we go. Final lap.